My name is Mikel Anthony. I'm gonna share with you 6 dishes using beef. The first one is a tartare I've been meaning to test out. Sous vide beef ribs, a delicious New York strip, some smoked beef ribs and beans, a skirt steak on the grill, and a beef tare. First technique is smoking. I used bone marrow and made it into a vinaigrette. I sliced and minced fresh ribeye and tossed it with the bone marrow vinaigrette. I then plated it on a nice olive loaf toast with some nice rich quail eggs. The next dish is a beautiful bone-in beef rib. I Frenched it and then used the trimmings in a rice porridge. I cooked it sous vide at 135 degrees for 48 hours. I then puffed some rice for garnish. I cooked down the porridge and then seared the beef when it was ready. You can garnish with what you like, but I chose some eggplant and sauteed some Swiss chard. Beautiful, delicious New York strips. I broke down the New York strip into 2-inch thick steaks. I rendered the trimmings for beef fat and strained it into a tamari soy powder. Then I placed the seasoned beef fat into a vacuum sealed bag with the steaks, vacuum sealed and sous vide at 132 degrees for about an hour and a half to 2 hours. Removed and seared. The remaining beef fat, I made a beef fat powder with maltodextrin so it would melt away on the palate. Mushrooms and black garlic are a match made in heaven. So I sauteed some mushrooms and set them aside, took black garlic, dark soy, and black vinegar and made a paste. I finished this dish with a little parsnip puree. Let's smoke some ribs. Get your smoker to 280 to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Place in your ribs and smoke them for 2 hours. Now don't worry, because we're gonna finish them in some beans. Soak your beans overnight, get them cooking with some bell pepper, onions, garlic. Throw in those beef ribs and cook them until they're tender. You can either shred them or plate them as is. It's super delicious. You're gonna need a really hot grill. I'm talking high heat. Get some quality skirt steak and marinate it in some orange juice, paprika, cumin, oregano for no less than 2 hours. Slap it on the grill, cook it to your desired temperature, slice it, serve it as tacos or with some grilled vegetables. And a little pico de gallo. Finally, we're making a simple tare. I used all different parts of the ribeye for this, but my favorite is the cap. You want to skewer it, you can do it on a grill or find a yakitori style grill with some banchotan like I did, and then cook it to your desired temperature. Hopefully it's medium rare. I serve this with a bean sprout salad and some cured yolk. Thank you for watching. My name is Mikel Anthony. Like and subscribe, comment down below. Be sure to follow Chef's Roll for more.